Hi everyone, this is the last vlog in my Philippines diary series of 2025. I gotta be clear about that. Philippines is home and we will be back.
Tignan mo si Ate Tamina, oh. Acting like a dino. Oh, ikaw din.
Ganoon pala.
Ganyan. Rabbit dino.
What sound does a dinosaur make?
Ano, di mo ba na?
Yay! Galing ah.
Good job, Ella.
Yeah, your dance. Show your dance, Ella. Dance ka, Ella.
Oh, your dance. Give your dance.
Smile. Banana.
Okay. You just drink it.
It's our last. It's our last full day. Sad times. Smile, Ella po. Ella. Ella, wave. Flying kiss, Ella.
Ganyan lang. O, pwede pa dalawa ulit. Ha? Sakto na to.
Balisa ka na.
Oh, pwede na siya sa isang lagi.
Sama ka?
Wow.
Hindi ka, be?
Yeah.
Ayaw.
Baba na, baba na.
Babalik sila. Babalik sila. 10 years.
Dad. Sino yan?
Ang mahirap na po.
Martin.
Lagi katato eh.
Sino yun?
Kaka.
07.
Si Ate Kaka.
Oopsies.
50, 72, 74, 24. Yeah. Phone number is
Smile, Ella. Smile.
wala eh. Mondays is not available, pero
Yung mga skincare products sila. Sabi ko rin.
bakit pa yan?
Nagbaga na.
Teka, just
Mama, tingin ka mama, tingin mama. Tingin ka. Sila daw, sila
It's dancing like there's no way he could fall. The world he sees is empty after all. Free to follow my lead. Free to follow, but careful what you say. He's always watching every step I take.
Sige na, sige na. Punta lang sa airport kung ayaw. Dalawa din kami dyan.
Mocking me with all of my charades. Free to follow my lead. Him every day. In quiet rooms that dim the light away. Find that he's got quite a lot to say. Free to follow my lead. Free to follow in something in those words. Shine a light on all I've ever heard. And soon enough he's gone and filled the world. Free to follow my lead. Free to follow my lead.
Since moving to the UK in 2003, we've only gone back home 3 times. With our entire family across the globe, every chance we get to see and spend time with them is so special, and saying goodbye will never get easier. 1 month together is never enough to make up for lost time. We can only treasure the moments we have together, and I think we made some of the best memories this summer. All my baby cousins are not so baby anymore. In fact, they're taller than me. My titas, titos and grandparents are the same sweet, loving and hilarious bunch of people. Catching up through FaceTime and social media posts will never be the same as spending time together, but if that's all we have for now, I'll take it.
Bye, Philippines.
Until next time, Philippines.